Hello mga marites ni Chongdae.
Kim Soo-yeon and Kim Ji-won suspected to be dating by netizens, but their labels refused to respond. The two lead stars of the hit K-drama series Queen of Tears have been embroiled in dating rumors due to similar social media posts. Kim Soo-yeon's most recently uploaded 4 photos on his Instagram account, but quickly deleting 3 that triggered the speculation. In the photos, Kim Soo-yeon and Kim Ji-won are wearing black outfits with similar poses. Some netizens are saying that it's just a coincidence, as black outfits are common. But some are speculating Kim Soo-yeon deleted the photos to avoid rumors that he's dating his former co-star. Gold medalist Kim Soo-yeon's agency and high entertainment studio Kim Ji-won's agency have decided not to respond, dismissing